Hello everyone, this is TAICO in laboratory test. This is what the battery looks like. This is a cabinet-style solid lithium battery. These are the handles on both sides. This is its protection board, BMS protection board, and its cooling system. This is its panel. This panel is our exclusive design. And it also has wiring ports. Then here is the Wi-Fi port after connecting. You can see the battery usage on your phone. The upper part is the battery LCD screen, where you can see the battery parameters. Here is the BMS communication protocol. This is the finished product of the battery. This finished product is made of solid-state batteries. Then this is the latest solid lithium battery developed on the market. But there is still puncture and can still be used. Do a solid lithium battery puncture test. Come, it's time for us to witness a miracle. This battery is the same type of battery cell. It is the safest battery. Let safety accompany you. Next, we will conduct a charge and discharge test to verify the experimental results. Connect the positive and negative terminals. Then turn on the detection instrument switch. The instrument display shows that the results are normal. This is the battery charging status. It's well known. The energy molecules of the battery are charged and discharged. It is very active. If I pierce it at this time, will it explode? Will it shut down? Let's do a test. Let's do it first. Charging status. Intersperse the battery charging status. We are now charging the battery. Good to see the current straight line status. Charging status. Punch a hole for the battery. It can still be charged continuously. No problem. Did you see that I just punched a hole in it while it was charging? There is no problem. The battery does not produce any sparks or smoke. Very safe. So what should we do after we charge it? Let's test our discharge again. Puncture it during discharge to see if it will explode and catch fire. Good. Ray discharge. This one has two ordinary solid-state batteries still discharging. Then we drill holes in it when discharging electricity. See if there are any surprises. Still discharging, no problem. This is the battery cell we are currently using at TechSource. Let you use the battery will always explode, never catch fire.